Apple Box is a very convenient and popular accessory for photographers and videographers. Because it's multifunctional, it can also be used as furniture or as a prop in shoots. It often appears in the frame of studio photographs, which makes its aesthetic appeal an important factor when choosing one. It can be difficult to understand exactly what you'll receive based on internet store pictures. In this video, I'll help people who are interested in the PROAIM brand Apple Box. I bought this set with my own money, and this isn't a review or advertisement. I'll simply unbox it and show you what it looks like up close. This manufacturer offers two color options, and I chose dark brown. As you can see, everything is packaged very well and with care. I really liked that they didn't just use separate packing materials but glued them together to create containers that can be used as boxes for lightweight accessories. The color matches my preferences perfectly, and the roughness and worn spots add to its aesthetic appeal. The build quality is very nice. The edges are smooth and pleasant to touch. It feels like a solid product, built strong and reliable, though I can't say for certain until a very heavy person stands on it. We'll see. Interestingly, the manufacturer's website offers an additional accessory, a pad for more comfortable sitting. The packing material can actually be used for similar purposes, although the need for this cushioning is much less when the Apple Box is positioned horizontally. Still, it's a nice additional option straight out of the box, literally.